I'm Nana Marie, and this is...
I am Joyce Dabungita.
And we will be interviewing you today for our class requirements about the gender issue.
In this interview, we will talk about your...
1, 2, 3, go.
In this interview, we will talk about your background, the gender challenges you face, and how you address them.
3, go.
In this interview, we will talk about your background, the gender challenges you face, and how you address them.
Thank you for agreeing to be a part of this activity. Okay, Miss Nicole, can you introduce yourself?
So, hi, I'm Nicole G. Diaz, from Inapatan of Bacamarin Sur, at 21 years of age. College student from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges and taking up Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education. So, I'm quite busy, especially for this week because it's our final. Daily life and routine. Since I am a college student, so I'm mostly from home, from the school, and of course doing some activities just like that as a normal college student. So from my community background and my family background, my family is composed of 5 members, and there's no other when it comes to gender related issue, way back high school, I am exposed with those part of the LGBTQ, and it's quite so overwhelming for me, especially when I expose myself to them. I know how I know and I've been part of what issues, what some struggle of being under the LGBTQ, especially for those bisexual like that. So that issue, it's like I am not totally vocal with that, but based on my observations like that, since I've been part of it, and I'm like I have this experience na I open myself um with like my co-gender, like it's not that na nalaman. Usually I've been I mean, yes, I do same relationship with my gender, and as part of their community or society of under LGBTQ, they warmly open me, but for the side of my family, they don't know. So I'm quite that takot to express or to open my my feelings that time about that scenario. But it's just that may mga nakakaintindi, may mga welcome ako, but there's judgment, especially like parang alam nila, parang kilala nila ako na more on studies lang that time. So ganong paraan.
So how did the issue make you feel that at that moment?
So The issue I feel that moment, it's like I said, it's so overwhelming because I didn't expect um experience to be part of the LGBT. Although I'm not, parang hindi ako nagsisisi because that experience gave a big impact in my life, and I gained so many learnings from it. It's just like it's overwhelming because I didn't know how can I express that that feelings, that emotion to my family, because they are all strict, and there are times that my my lola, my nanay, confronted me because um nalaman niya kasi sa ibang tao, I don't know, but siguro yung pinsan ko kasi same kami nag-aaral. So, pero hindi ko naman na kinonfront. It's just that hindi ko talaga alam yung sasabihin ko doon kay nanay. So, I remain quiet of it. And my close friend, sila lang yung nakakaalam. And sa school, kasi at the time open naman na, parang yes, open naman na yung ibang tao about gender issue, especially for LGBTQ, bisexual specifically. So may mga times lang talaga na the way you see their eyes, parang hindi maiwasan yung judgment. I just express what I feel that time on my partner. I instill in my mind na I'm just me expressing or showing my my what I feel, my true gender identity way back that time.
Action.
Is this a one-time experience or something you encountered repeatedly?
So, I think it's a one time because that time when I expose or let myself expose with those community bisexual person, I think one time lang, but it's not more on words kasi, but it's on how they show their thinking, their judgment when I walk with my partner, you know. It just it, like yes, I have said it's more on the way they express or on what they think, kasi usually nakikita mo naman sa mata ng tao o kung hindi nila kayang maisalita. It's one time kasi that time na nag-open ako, parang biglaan. So, more on scenario I observe lang. But later on, yung mga friends and others, my classmates, they accept me naman. It's just like I didn't open up it to my parents.
Oh.
So lastly, what did you learn from this experience?
I learned from this experience, specifically within how I developed myself. It's just like first I didn't expect how strong my personality was, because it's so hard to um to what do you call it? Parang um ilabas or pakita when it comes to gender identity, gender expression. It's not that hindi ko siya parang di ba? Hindi ko siya pinagsisihan kasi I I know deep I know deeply, and mas makilala ko pa kung sino ako at paano ako sa ibang tao, especially when it comes to those part of the LGBTQ community. So I am proud with recently na marami na ngayong um, nag nag-express ng sarili nila, marami na nag-out ba, yung word na ginagamit usually is out, kung paano nila i-out, paano sila nila i-express yung mga sarili nila. Just that they've been part of the community, and I think hindi na sila mawawala because everyone here, despite of their gender identity, they have like parang ambag sa lipunan on how community works, revolves, and in daily like that.
Okay, so thank you.